Most people think zero trust means trust nothing. That sounds secure, but it's wrong. And if that's how your security works, you're already exposed. Zero trust is not about trust. It's about decisions. And that difference changes everything. The name is misleading. It sounds like a mindset, a philosophy, a slogan. So organizations treat it that way. They remove trust, add authentication, buy more tools, and assume they've implemented zero trust. They haven't, because zero trust is not a belief system. It's a system of control. Traditional security makes one assumption. If you're inside the network, you're trusted. If you're outside, you're blocked. That model is dead, because attackers don't knock on the door. They log in with valid credentials, valid sessions, valid tokens, and once they're in, nothing stops them. Not because defenses failed, but because decisions stopped. Zero trust fixes only one thing: when decisions happen. Instead of authenticate once, trust forever, it becomes verify continuously, decide every time. Every request is evaluated. Every action is scored. Every signal matters. At the core of zero trust is a decision engine. It doesn't ask, "Are you inside?" It asks, "Who are you? What device are you using? Is it healthy? Where are you coming from? What are you trying to do? Is this normal? Is this risky?" Access is no longer granted. It is calculated in real time. Zero trust is not more friction, more prompts, more alerts. It is precise access, dynamic control, intentional security. The goal is not to keep attackers out. The goal is to limit what anyone can do, even when they're already inside. If the last video showed you why the firewall failed, this is what replaces it. In the next video, we break down how these decisions actually work. Policies, signals, engines, step by step, in real environments. Subscribe to Cyber Tech House, because security is not about tools, it's about architecture.